the hell was that?
Solto já, puro com a mão, meu irmão.
Tá bom!
Tá quente, cachorro da molecha.
Rapaz aí, rapaz! Ele tá muito...
Oh, I totally put a hole in my radiator.
Oh, I guess we're draining the radiator.
Ah, jeez.
Hiya mate, my car's been to another garage, the brakes don't work. Okay, let's have a quick check. Oh, so they did the disc and pads, alright, okay. BAM! What have they done, mate? Let's have a quick check. Oh, you had an oil change as well? Yeah, no problem mate. Good work.
Customer states needs oil change very badly. Been a long time. Engine has noise. Oh God. Here we go. Yeah, I'd say it's been a while. Been a long, long while.
Engine vibration is a common problem that can often be resolved by replacing worn or damaged engine mounts. Before replacing engine mounts based on vibration alone, it is important to confirm that the mounts are the root cause. Other potential causes of engine vibration include engine misfires, problems with the fuel or ignition system, component imbalance, problems with rotating components or drive shafts, transmission problems. In some cases, vibration may originate from the transmission or transmission mounts. A thorough diagnosis, often including a visual inspection and a test drive, can help determine if the engine mounts are indeed responsible. Over time, carbon, rubber, and varnish deposits can build up on the throttle plate and internal surfaces, affecting idle quality and throttle response. Cleaning will restore normal function, but must be done carefully to avoid damaging sensitive electronic components. Tips and warnings. Do not force the throttle. A use-appropriate cleaner. Do not use on carburetors. Work in a well-ventilated area. Detergents are flammable. Follow OEM instructions. So, by following these careful steps, you can safely clean your electronic throttle and help maintain long-term performance. Automotive main shaft bushings play an important role in supporting and reducing friction for rotating parts, ensuring smooth and efficient operation of the transmission system. Increased friction and wear. Damaged bushings lead to increased friction between parts, causing rapid wear and reducing the life of related parts. Reduced performance. Increased friction reduces the performance of the transmission system, affecting the vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Risk of serious damage. Failure to replace damaged bushings in a timely manner can lead to widespread damage, affecting other important components and causing significant repair costs.